everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We will guide you through the way how to divide a page into multiple columns to create stunning and professional-looking documents. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by opening a new document or working with an existing one. I've typed some text here, and now we'll explore how to divide it into columns. To select the text you want to divide into columns, simply click and drag your cursor over the content you wish to format. You can also use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all the text in the document. Now navigate to the Layout tab in the top menu. It's usually located between the Design and References tabs. Then select the Columns button and you'll see a drop-down menu with various column options. In this example, I'll choose 2 columns, but you can select 1, 3, or even more columns, depending on your needs. And there you have it. Our text is now divided into 2 columns. Microsoft Word automatically adjusts the content to fit nicely within the columns. If you want to customize your columns, you can do that by selecting more columns and controlling it to customize it manually. You can also add more text to the document and it will automatically flow into the columns, maintaining the formatting for a clean and organized look. That's it! We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.